Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So since this is the start of new week, we will start with Nifty's weekly analysis, right? So Nifty's weekly candle, you can see there is no hint of any bearishness. Nifty has clearly closed above the previous all-time high. But the only fact that we have to be aware of is that because of the election result, we are expecting a gap of around 200 points, right? So market had moved continuously up from 18,800 levels to a new all-time high without any consolidation in the weekly chart at least, right? This you can see market had given a false breakdown here, and from here market had one directionally moved up, right? So what am I expecting? Let's look at daily time frame. At least in the daily time frame, the encouraging fact is that we had a good solid base formation around 19800 levels, and then we had broken out and we have hit a new all-time high. So the expectation is if the market is having a 200 points gap up, there ought to be selling pressure because of profit booking, and I'm expecting at least a retest of the previous all-time high, or you should get ideally a consolidation here and a breakout for higher targets. So this is what we are seeing on a larger time frame. So if there is a gap up because of the euphoria, of course you know about the election results, and market likes stable governance. So because of that, if we are gapping up around 200 points, please don't go and chase the gap up. There is most likelihood that market might dip to a previous all-time high level. So this is what we can see in daily chart. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, at least in Bank Nifty, you can see a higher high formation. Again, Bank Nifty doesn't have any signs of bearishness here. This is a breakout and this is a retest. So what I'm expecting in Nifty, I'm expecting a similar kind of price action because market moves in waves. It doesn't move in a straight line. So I'm expecting a pullback to the previous breakout level and then move like this. Same sort of price action we are seeing in Bank Nifty is what I am expecting in Nifty at least. So currently in Bank Nifty, we can see this the first line of resistance. But if there is a huge gap up and if it opens somewhere around 45,600, uh, this is a gap border and we can expect a profit booking to kick in. So this is the expectation in both the indices. So yeah, today is mid cap expiry. Trade safe because market is in a range expansion mode, and we never know how much market can move when that is happening, right? There could be a 200 points up move and a 200 points down move with straddle pricing in hardly 50 points. It could be a bit risky to go and trade short volatility in those indices, right? So let's look at data and let's see what data has to say right now. So this is the FII activity on Friday. Uh, Calls they have sold 1 lakh and then they have sold 73,000 puts. This is slightly neutral, and whereas in stocks they have started buying in the last 1 week, and same in futures. It's positive figure, and the best part is futures negative OI from somewhere around minus 150 odd range. It has come down to minus 47. This is sign of short covering by the FIIs, and this would have definitely propelled the market higher. So overall, market looks bullish in the larger time frame. But then, if there is a gap up, don't go and chase the gap up and get trapped in all the euphoria. Wait for a good dip where you can re-enter and maybe ride the longer term trend. So that's all for today. Thank you. Trade safe. Bye.